So you're looking for a simple way to invest, trade, and earn interest on your cryptocurrency, but you don't want to sacrifice features or functionality. Well, if you're looking for an affordable all-in-one solution, then Crypto.com might just be a choice for you. So what is Crypto.com? Well, Crypto.com is a cryptocurrency exchange and app that's really been designed with everyday users in mind. Because with the ability to trade over 100 plus coins and support for over 20 fiat currencies, the Crypto.com app really makes it easy to buy your favorite cryptocurrencies using your credit card, your debit card, or even your bank. But the real neat thing with the Crypto.com app is that it offers you far more than just your everyday cryptocurrency exchange. So if at any point you want to jump ahead or jump back to any point of today's video, be sure to check out the timestamps in the description box below. And if you also want to learn how you can get started on Crypto.com with your own special $25 sign-up bonus, be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's jump right into it. How does it work? Well, Crypto.com is actually an easy-to-use app that's available on both iOS and Android devices, which allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto, as well as earn interest on your holdings through their Earn program. And if you're more than just an investor or a trader, and you're actually looking to transact with your crypto, you can just as easily send and receive funds instantly between Crypto.com users via the wallet app, as well as easily spend your crypto with their metal Visa debit cards, and we'll get into that in just a bit. Now, Crypto.com is available in over 30 countries, so it definitely has a global reach, really trying to bring DeFi or decentralized finance to everyday users. So let's now talk about their cryptocurrency selection. So Crypto.com actually supports over 100 plus cryptocurrencies, as well as over 20 fiat currencies. So really, whether you're looking to buy or sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or even Dogecoin, or choose from any of the other most popular cryptocurrencies today, the app has got you covered. Now, in addition to the wide range of different cryptocurrencies that they offer on the app, Crypto.com actually offers its own native cryptocurrency called CRO. So what is CRO? CRO Coin is actually their own currency, which can be used in a number of different ways, and here are just a few of them. So CRO Coin can be used to stake and earn interest on your crypto holdings, and we'll discuss that in just a bit. It can also be used to reserve one of their metal Visa debit cards, which can earn you up to 8% cash back for each transaction on the card. CRO can also be used to send money to other users through the Crypto Wallet app. You can also convert CRO into e-gift cards via Crypto.com app, earning you even more cash back in CRO with each purchase. CRO can even be traded just like every other cryptocurrency, just the same, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. So let's now take a second to talk about navigating the app itself, because while the Crypto.com app actually does pack a lot under the hood, navigating the essential features is actually pretty intuitive, because right from the homepage of the app, you can track your favorite crypto, you can trade hundreds of coins, and you can even transfer funds in and out of the app. Now, whenever you want to buy or sell some coins, you simply click on the trade button and you'll be given the option to buy or sell over 100 of the most popular cryptocurrencies. And for investing automation, the app also allows you to set up recurring buys to easily purchase crypto on a weekly, bi-weekly, or even a monthly basis. Now, when you're ready to deposit or withdraw funds from the app, you can easily click on the transfer button and you'll be given the option to transfer crypto to and from other cryptocurrency platforms and crypto wallets. You'll also see that there's an option to deposit and withdraw funds to and from your bank. So at the bottom of the app now, you'll also find easy access to all your favorite crypto wallets, your fiat wallet, as well as access to managing your Crypto.com Visa debit card. Now, let's hop into the key features of the app itself. So let's first talk about Crypto Earn. If you've ever wanted to earn interest on your crypto holdings, Crypto Earn allows you to achieve just that. So Crypto Earn is essentially their staking platform that lets users earn interest on their crypto holdings. And essentially, staking involves locking up your coins for a predetermined amount of time, and in exchange for that, you actually earn interest on them. So the interest rates you earn are dependent on the length of time that you choose to stake your coins. And obviously, guys, the longer you choose to stake, the higher interest that you'll actually earn from staking those coins. So you can kind of think of Crypto Earn similar to a savings account, because you can stake crypto and earn interest up to 12% annually on your holdings, but you'll actually receive weekly interest payouts along the way. They also provide you with the flexibility of choosing 3 different holding terms to choose from. They have a flexible staking term, which means you can withdraw anytime. They have a 1-month staking term as well as a 3-month staking term. Now you can currently stake over 30 different types of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins on CryptoEarn. So this includes coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, CRO, USD Coin, and many more. Now, when it comes to receiving your interest payments, you'll actually receive a weekly payout based on how much your staked coin was worth when it earned interest that week. So in addition to that, you also receive your interest payments in the currency that you staked. So what this means is that if you staked Bitcoin, you would receive your weekly interest payments in Bitcoin, right? Straight to your Crypto.com Bitcoin wallet. And again, this really can be an easy way to earn income from your crypto holdings without having to sell them, right? So the next feature I want to hop into, guys, is the Crypto.com Visa card, because it's no secret, one of the biggest gripes with blockchain technology thus far is that many merchants online today and out in the real world still don't accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment yet, right? And while I do believe we're heading that way, we're definitely not there yet. And that's where the Crypto.com Visa card comes into play. Because by issuing you your own Visa debit card, Crypto.com really does allow you to load your cryptocurrencies straight onto the card from the app whenever needed for purchasing goods, services, or simply for cashing out at an ATM machine, right? Because since most merchants still don't accept crypto as a form of payment yet, Crypto.com, what it does is it lets you top up your card right with crypto right from the app itself. And once you load up the card, the app then converts your coins to USD or your country's local fiat. Basically, the card gives you instant access to spending your crypto in most places where Visa is accepted. But the benefits of their Visa debit cards don't end there, because Crypto.com also offers users a wide range of card tiers to choose from, each with different levels of rewards, including up to 8% cash back on all your purchases. So the 5 tiers of Visa cards they offer are the following. They offer Midnight Blue, they offer Ruby Still, they offer Royal Indigo and Jade Green, they offer Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White, and of course they offer their Obsidian card. Now, to get your hands on one of these premium metal cards, you first need to stake the required number of CRO tokens for that tier. So essentially, the more CRO that you stake, the higher the tier card you can apply for, and the higher the rewards that you'll earn. So I've personally begun staking for the Ruby Still card, which requires only staking $400 worth of CRO. The other neat thing is you can always start with a lower card tier and you can upgrade to a higher card tier over time as well. The only caveat with this is that when you choose to upgrade from a lower tier to a higher tier, it resets your staking term, so just keep that in mind. Now, once you've staked the required amount of CRO for the pre-selected amount of time, you will be eligible to receive your new Crypto.com Visa card. And of course, once you've activated it, you are then able to immediately receive up to 8% cash back on all your purchases, again, in most places where Visa is accepted. Now, regardless of whichever card you have, whenever you make a purchase with your Crypto.com Visa card, the cash back that you earn will always be allocated in the form of CRO coins, and they'll be credited to your app instantly. Now, once you've received cashback rewards, you can always swap your CRO rewards for another cryptocurrency, or you can sell them, or you could even stake them towards earning and applying for an even higher card tier to eventually earn even more rewards. Speaking of rewards, as you work your way up the different card tiers, you'll also notice that each one offers special perks, including being credited back CRO every month to fully cover your expenses of popular streaming services such as Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and more. You can also easily manage your Visa card directly from the Crypto.com app. This includes tracking your spending, as well as receiving rewards. And really, guys, overall, the Crypto.com Visa card, in my opinion, might just be the best feature because it really gives you more purchasing power with your crypto, as well as the ability to earn more rewards from your crypto as well. Now, the next key feature in the app I want to discuss is called Crypto Pay. So Crypto Pay is their built-in mobile payment service that lets you seamlessly pay, send, and receive crypto anytime for free. Now, the Crypto Pay area of the app offers 4 different use cases. They offer pay checkout, pay gift cards, pay mobile airtime, and of course, pay your friends. So you can kind of think of Crypto Pay as the crypto version of Venmo, except with a few more benefits. So next I want to jump into the pricing and fees of the app. And when it comes to pricing and fees, Crypto.com does offer competitive rates, but the fees can vary based on whether you're looking to buy with a credit card, a debit card, or even your bank. Now, when it comes to buying crypto, When you pay with a credit or a debit card, the fees will range from 1.49% to 3.99% depending on your country. For example, the fees to purchase crypto with a credit or debit card would be 2.99% for US users, 3.5% for Canadian users, and 2.99% for UK users. On the plus side though, there are no fees to buy crypto with your bank or with funds held in your fiat wallet on the Crypto.com app. So that's absolutely right, there are no fees from Crypto.com when you deposit via ACH bank transfer. So my tip is if you want to save on fees and you can afford to wait a few days for the transfer, buying crypto with your bank might be your best bet. But it's still nice to know that you have the flexibility to always be able to purchase crypto with a credit or debit card as well. Speaking of which, another nice bonus with the app is that when you first sign up, there's actually a special promo for first-time users where there are no fees to buy crypto with a credit or a debit card for your first 30 days. So if you're looking to buy with a card, you definitely want to take advantage of your first 30-day period. Now, when it comes to selling your crypto, selling your coins, Crypto.com does not charge a fee when trading on the app. However, when you do place a trade on the app, they do have a confirmation page where they'll show you the current rate and execution price for you to confirm with a 15-second window. Let's now talk about withdrawing funds from the app, because after you've sold your crypto, the funds will sit in your fiat wallet on the app. And from here, you really can use it to buy more crypto, spend on goods and services, or simply withdraw it to your bank. Now, when you want to withdraw, you can withdraw fiat back to your bank account, and the cool thing is there are no fees to withdraw USD. So let's now talk about another important question, and that is my crypto safe with Crypto.com? And I will say firstly, guys, that regardless of whichever crypto exchange you use, I always recommend holding your cryptocurrency on a hardware wallet, such as the Trezor wallet, for long-term storage. With that being said though, I will say that Crypto.com does have several security measures in place to protect your holdings while they're on the app. For starters, they do allow you the ability to enable two-factor authentication, which you can set up with authentication apps like Authy, Google Authenticator, and that's probably the first thing you should enable on any crypto platform you use. But most importantly, they've also set up security measures on their end as well. For instance, Crypto.com actually has committed to storing 100% of users' cryptocurrencies offline in cold storage. If you're holding any fiat currency in your account, such as USD, Canadian dollars, or Great Britain pounds, those currencies are actually held in regulated custodian bank accounts. Next, guys, I want to hop into the pros and cons of the app. Alright, so the first pro is definitely that Crypto.com is a full-featured app. Whether you're just getting started with cryptocurrency or you're more of an active user of crypto already, the Crypto.com app definitely offers plenty of interesting features for investors, for traders, and for just everyday crypto users. With access to over 100 plus cryptocurrencies, as well as an easy-to-use mobile app, and of course their appealing crypto reward features, you'll definitely find something here for everyone. The next pro is their Metal Visa debit card, and this is by far one of the best features of the app because the ability to instantly access your crypto in most places where Visa is accepted, as well as earn a significant cashback reward, makes their Visa debit card a key reason to consider this app. Since most of the merchants, like I said, still don't accept crypto as a form of payment, the debit card really gives everyday crypto users more purchasing power and quicker access to their crypto. Now, the third pro is definitely their crypto earn feature because with the ability to earn competitive interest rates on your crypto holdings, it's definitely another great selling point for the app. With the ability to stake over 30 cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, including all the best ones like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, CRO, USD Coin, it definitely makes it simple to earn income from your crypto holdings without ever having to sell them, and that's great for hodlers. You also have to appreciate that they give you flexibility of being able to choose the duration of time that you would like to stake your coins in order to best fit your needs. Plus, you get paid your interest on a weekly basis. Now, let's hop into the cons of the Crypto.com app. So the first con is the Visa card requirements, because while the app's Visa card is one of their more prominent features in my opinion, it does require you to stake a lot of CRO in order to qualify for the higher tiered cards. And while those higher rewards are definitely appealing, you may not feel comfortable with investing so much in a single coin. Now, the second con is that the interest rate does vary by term. And while Crypto.com does offer competitive interest rates with its staking program, there are some caveats that you need to be aware of. For instance, In order to truly get the most competitive interest rates, you actually need to stake your crypto for a longer duration, such as 3 months, as opposed to their 1 month or their flexible term. And while this isn't an issue for long-term crypto investors and hodlers, if you happen to be staking a more volatile coin, not being able to access or sell that crypto for 3 months can definitely feel like an eternity in the crypto world. I mean, if you've ever seen your favorite coin plummeting down in price, you definitely know what I mean. Now, the third con is that the coin availability does vary by country. While the app does support over 100 cryptocurrencies, not all are available in every country. Due to various cryptocurrency regulations across different countries, you may not have access to buying and selling all of the supported currencies on the app. In addition, if you're a US user like me, some coin availability may even vary from state to state, so just something to keep in mind. So guys, overall, who is the Crypto.com app for? Well, I would say the app can be an ideal option for a couple of different types of users. Firstly, for investors wanting the flexibility to buy crypto with a credit card, a debit card, or a bank. Also for long-term holders looking to earn interest on their crypto holdings. Also for consumers wanting the ability to be able to buy goods with their crypto through a Visa debit card. And simply for users interested in maximizing crypto cashback rewards, right? Next guys, let's talk about that $25 sign-up bonus I mentioned. So if you would like to try out the Crypto.com app for yourself, you can get started with the $25 sign-up bonus by simply joining through my referral link below this video, because when you join using my special code EVERYDAY, you will get $25 in free CRO Coin deposited straight into your account when you first sign up and stake at least $400 worth of CRO Coins for the Ruby Still debit card. Plus, don't forget when you first sign up, there are no fees to buy crypto with a credit or debit card for your first 30 days. So if you're looking to buy with the card, you definitely want to take advantage of that first 30-day period. So if you enjoyed the Crypto.com app, be sure to check out my updated Crypto.com review and tutorial videos right here. And if you want to see how Crypto.com compares to today's other top cryptocurrency apps, be sure to check out my other cryptocurrency app reviews right here. For more investing app reviews, tutorials, and comparisons, definitely be sure to check out some of the other videos on the channel, and I look forward to seeing you there.